Introduction. Aditi lives with her parents in Chennai. Her aunt lives in Mumbai. She visits her aunt every year in April. So, she travels from south to west. In this lesson, you will learn about directions. Common directions. Turn left. Turn right. Go straight ahead. Go back. We use these words when people ask us directions. We can use our hands to indicate for common directions. Left, right, front, and back. Major directions. There are 4 main directions. They are north, east, south, and west. The 4 letters N, E, S, and W represent these directions. This is J. He's standing facing the sun. The sun rises in the east. Therefore, east is in front of him. It means west is behind him. North is to his left. South is to his right. Location of Delhi. This is the map of India. The 4 major directions, north, east, south, and west, are marked on the map. Delhi is the capital of India. It is located in the north of India. Compass. This is a compass. It is a device. We use it to find directions. The compass has an arrow with a head and a tail. The head always points to the north and the tail to the south. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. The 4 main directions are north, east, west, and south. Compass is used to find directions.
Like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel, Gadjanana Publication, for more educational content.